Welcome to the third video on design of a rectangular footing. In this video, you will learn to draw the design strips, and run analysis and design on the footing model. All the required properties have been defined, as well as assigned. Now you will proceed with the drawing of the design strips. First you will delete the existing default design strips. In the Select menu, choose Select. Go to Properties, and click on Design Strip Layers. Select all the layers, and click on OK. All the existing design strips are selected, as shown in the bottom left corner. Now simply press Delete on your keyboard, to delete them. After this go to Draw, and select Draw Design Strips. The calculated width of design strip, on either side of the column center line, is 0.5 meters. Select the strip layer as A, and enter the width as 0.5, as shown. Now start by clicking on the midpoint of the left edge of the footing, and draw the design strip, through the centers of both the columns, to the midpoint of the right edge. Then just right-click outside, to discontinue and finish the design strip layer A. For the strips in the Y direction, change the strip layer to B. Start by clicking on the vertical center line of the column, in the top edge of the footing. You can locate the starting point, with the help of the grid line intersections. Draw the strip through the column center, and click on the bottom edge as shown. Then just right-click outside, to discontinue the strip layer, as you will draw a new strip for the second column. Similarly draw the strip for the second column as well. The design strips have been drawn on the footing. To check the actual strips with the thicknesses, select the Set Display options, in the toolbar. Mark the options under Design Strip Objects, and click on OK. The design strips are now visible on the footing. To avoid confusion, turn off the display of the design. Go to the Set Display options, and unmark the options as shown. Then click on OK. The rebar grade has been defined, but has not yet been assigned to the design strips, and the footing and stiffs. Right-click on the thin pink line, which is the design strip layer A. Here you can see, it is the strip layer A, as mentioned. Change the rebar material to HYSD 415, and click on OK. Select OK, to exit the strip layer A properties box. Now open the strip layer B properties box, by right-clicking on the strip layer B. You can zoom in a bit before selecting, for better clarity. Here too, change the rebar material to HYSD 415. Repeat the process for the design strip layer B second column. After assigning the rebar material to the design strips, you will assign it to the footing and the stiffs. Right-click on the area above the footing. The footing properties box opens. Under the Design tab, change the rebar to HYSD 415, and click on OK. Similarly right-click on the areas of the two columns, one by one, and change the rebar material. Just be careful, that you do not right-click exactly on the center point, but in the outer area. Now you will check for the loads, which you have already mentioned while defining the template. This time right-click on the center of the column. Go to the Loads tab. Check that the dead and live loads are correctly mentioned, along with the size of the column. Click on OK to exit. Similarly, right-click on the center of the second column, to check for the loads. All the information regarding the footing has been given to the software. Go to Run, and click on Run Analysis. Save the file with a suitable name. The software will start running analysis, and the progress can be checked from the bottom left corner. Once analysis is complete, the displacements due to the dead load is displayed by default. Each color represents a different value of displacement, which can be seen from the color code on the right side. or by hovering your cursor over the footing. To check the displacement for live load, or for a load combination, go to Display, and click on Show Deformed Shape. Select the Load Combination option, and choose the combination for which you want to see the displacements. Click on Apply, and the corresponding displacements will be displayed. Click on Close, to exit the Show Deformed Shape box. Now you will perform the design check on the footing model. Go to Run, and click on Run Analysis and Design. Then go to Display, and select Show Punching Shear Design. The punching shear ratio values are shown, in both the points of load application. The ratios, 0.3155 each, are less than 1. So it means the shear has not exceeded the capacity. Hence the footing of the given dimensions, thickness, and material, is safe and can be used for construction. In the next video, you will learn to interpret the results of this analysis and design. You may save the file now, and close it, if you want to continue with the next video afterwards. Thanks for watching.